Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip right in front of the fashion show. Used to be called the Fashion Show Mall, now it's just called Fashion Show. Anyway, my last trip here was about 6, 7, maybe even 8 months ago to Las Vegas. And during that trip I didn't even come here, so it's been a good year and a half since I've been to this mall. Dying to go inside and see if anything's changed, so come on inside with me and let's check it out. Shall we? During the course of this video, I'll give you guys a little bit of history about this mall. It's got a pretty fascinating history. It started to be built in 1979 and it was completed at a cost of $74 million. Fashion Show opened on February 14, 1981, so it took about 2 years to build. And it became the first major shopping center on the Strip. It's also the third mall to open in Las Vegas Valley. Its success prompted the construction of other retail centers on the Strip, including the Forum shops.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Getting back to a little bit of history on this mall, the Rouse Company took over ownership in the 1990s and later launched a $1 billion renovation and expansion, which concluded in 2003. The project included new stores and restaurants as well as a retractable runway for fashion shows, hence the name Fashion Show Mall. The plaza along the Strip was also added and includes the Cloud, a steel structure providing shade to pedestrians while doubling as a nighttime projection surface for advertising. General Growth Properties, now Brookfield Properties, acquired the mall in 2004. And a little bit more about that cloud out front that seems to be the main focal point of this mall when you're walking along the Strip. This is Savage Fenty, a project created and run by Rihanna because, well, being a billionaire is just not enough. And here we have the brand new Hello Kitty Cafe. At least it's brand new here at the fashion show, and I know that excites quite a few of you, some more than others, but I know some of you are pretty excited about Hello Kitty merchandise. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that
Anchor tenants here at Fashion Show include Dick's Sporting Goods, Dillard's, Forever 21, two Macy's stores, one is a men's specialty shop, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, and Saks Fifth Avenue. The expansion in the early 2000s doubled the mall's size to approximately 1,900,000 square feet. This made it one of the largest malls in the U.S. Notable new tenants in the expansion included Abercrombie & Finch, Ann Taylor Loft, Claire's, Guess, and the first Apple store in Las Vegas. Other tenants added since then have included Banana Republic, Henri Bendel, and a Disney store. I love toy stores. I'm really a kid at heart, and in all my travels, Kappa Toys right here in Las Vegas is one of my favorites. Many others are located in New York City.
I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Various incidents have occurred at the mall, including an unsuccessful bomb threat in 1983, a jewelry store heist in 1999. Several shootings have occurred, including one at the food court in 2014. Another shooting in 2019 prompted the evacuation of the mall. In 2022, a woman was shot and killed in the mall's parking garage during an attempted robbery. That was just this year. And they say that crime in Atlantic City is bad. In 2014, the mall was used to film the interior shots of the fictitious New Jersey West Orange Pavilion Mall for the opening sequence of Paul Blart Mall Cop 2. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New Yawk channel, check out the new Facebook New Yawk fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. Hold on tight.
everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.